Hey guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. Kinda. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. I got a guest for me today, guys, and she's driving. Y'all normally know I'm on the bus, but there she goes. Hey, Tamika.
What to do, y'all?
Yeah, we headed out to Tuesday morning, as a matter of fact. I didn't have to do much convincing. I just like, yeah, Tuesday morning, yeah, we need to go. She goes, yeah, let me go put on some shoes, I'll be right back. So yeah, that's how we rolling today. And we're over here in the Greenbrier area, about to hop on, what is this, 166 to 285 north.
Yeah.
And however we gonna get there, but you know what, we gonna stop for a little munchies. We gonna get some groceries down the neck first, and then we gonna go shopping, y'all. So I'll see you when we get to some place to get the munchies. Hi guys, we're at the Golden Corral. We're gonna go in and grab something to eat on. Our sister is truly hungry. Look at that Tamika out right there. Oh, wait a minute, let me get this. Undo this. Are they trying to get in here? I'm gonna grab this. Now don't say nothing. Can you see that? I'm gonna grab that. Huh? Okay. I'm gonna put this. I'll grab this just in case. I'm gonna put it in my back pocket. Cause a lot of times when you eat, when you get done, you gotta go. You gotta go. So we're gonna head on in. It's hot out here.
It is. I feel like I'm overly dressed.
She talking about she feel like she overly dressed. And, oh, there's a Zaxby's as well. So they got it going on up in her. All right, y'all. You know how I do. I'm just gonna.
Eat good in the neighborhood.
You hear? Okay. I'm not gonna record, a lot in here because I don't want to invade anybody's privacy. So once we get in, we might. Oh, there she goes. Once we get in and sit down, we'll be back. Okay. I have fixed my salad. I got some beets and just the salad greens under all that stuff somewhere. So this is my salad to start off with my bread and my little honey margarine and some butter and Miss Tamika. She got, what you got over there? That's your salad right there? What is that?
Chicken egg salad.
Okay. And she got, what's that soup?
Broccoli, cheddar.
And she got some other stuff over there like fish and...
I got beef, I got fish, I got tilapia, I got roast.
Turn it around, let's see the roast. Oh, okay, it's under there. Okay, she got it going on over there. Okay, y'all, we finna dig in. I got my sweet tea like normal. She got something mixed that looked like a real drink at first, but now it looks like a pink lemonade. But we finna get it in, okay, guys? Guys, I got my salad in. I got some bread left. I won't get any more. It is about time for round 2 for me, which won't be that much like normal. Tamika killing her salad. She not really drank 1 cup of something, but she was not happy with that stuff over there, so we ain't gonna discuss it. But let me go get ready for round 2. This is round 2 for me. I just got some fried fish, 1 chicken tender, and some fruit for dessert. And I still got all my tea because I hate to fill up on anything to drink. So I'm gonna get this in, and then that'll probably be it for me. This is Tamika's second go round. She got 2 scoops of what?
Cookies and cream.
And some potatoes and a piece of bread. So hopefully that should be satisfied in a second cup of whatever.
Pink lemonade and Hawaiian.
Okay.
Well, not like mine, but okay.
Okay, y'all, that's it. The chicken, the other plate is gone. Actually, I kept a little piece right there in that biscuit, so I'm gonna snack on that later. But other than that, that's it for me. I still got that much tea left. I might try to go ahead on and down that. And then that's gonna be it for me. Tamika over there eating on that. She killing that ice cream over there. Look at her, look at her, look at her. So yeah, we're just about done. Alright guys, we have made our way from the Golden Corral. We are going into Tuesday morning to see what nice little crafty items we can buy. They got some stuff out here. So let's see what they got out here. Tamika's the kitchen stuff. She's the chef. I'm not. I pretend to be the cook, but not often. So I don't see anything crafty out here per se. And the knife and fork set look kind of cute right there. But other than that, there's nothing out here. I'm going inside. She talking about hold up. She gonna be out here about. It's what? Oh Lord.
But this is a nice blender.
That's about the craftiest stuff I see that ribbon down there. Yeah. So let's head on inside. Ooh. You're not painting.
Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
Doing great. How are you?
Present and accounted for.
There you go. That's a good
Which
thing.
way are the craft sections? This way?
It's this way. It'll be off on your right.
Thank you, ma'am.
And also, we also have 20% off with some craft items right here in this end cap right here.
Okay, let me go. Let me try the end cap first. See, we have such sweet people. We're gonna see what they got on the end cap. Let's see. Oh, some yarns. Some things right here. Okay, got some mink items. So that's for the vintage or whatever. I see, I have this one. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is when I see something interesting, I'll be back, guys. Okay. Well, guys, it wasn't a whole lot going on Tuesday morning that I was really interested in. I picked up a few things, and I will do a haul for you guys, of course, after this video. And now we are about to head into the hobby to the lobby, and I will see you inside. Okay, I'm in whatever this place is, Hobby Lobby, and everybody had been hauling this washi tape with the ladies on it, which of course I don't see, and that's fine because I really don't need it anyway. I have been seeing this one. Yeah, it's not gonna focus the glare, I don't think. There we go, better. Or maybe it was just me. And there's another young lady right there, but I don't see the other one. But like I said, it's all good because it ain't like I need it. We got 50% off embellishment by Paper Studio. And I don't see anything that would work with my TN. There's some more bowls up there, some gold bowls, some yellow gold, and like some more of the bronzy gold ones. Those are really cute to make bowls out of to go for your paper clips. Here are some more paper clips. Here you got the look at the ring, that is too cute. And oh, that bowl, $3.99. Oh my goodness, embellishment by Paper Studio. And see, they don't have it. It says that none of this
Craft line 1, craft line
is
1.
on sale. But they say embellishments. So I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna grab. Should I grab some bowls and the rings just to see? You know what? I'll do that. And if they're on clearance, I'll pick them up. And if not, I won't, because I'm not paying $4 for these things. Okay, spare parts. Flea market fancy. Okay. It says flea market fancy. So, and I'm just looking really to find things that I can use to dress up my TNs some more. So let me just roll around to maybe the paper, where the paper is. Oh, I love this stuff. Yes, I love you more than coffee. I love that stuff. Oh. More coffee. just go walk around and see what else.
8 hours.
Guys, me and Tomika have been out all day. We leaving Wally World. Do we have it up there? Yeah, we leaving Wally World. We got everything going. She got the phone going, and we got something else going on, and it's been interesting. But we have, what have we done? We have been to
with Mama all day.
about 3 different Tuesday mornings. We've been to Wally World. We went to Hobby Lobby.
Shopping with Mama all day.
All day. Yeah, we've been shopping all day. I am so broke. I might have $10 left.
She's still recording.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, there she go. She over there. Look at her.
I'm tired, y'all.
Yeah, she tired. She can't. Hey. She gonna get that though, y'all. I'm working with her. But it's been an awesome day. It's been an awesome day. The Home Depot over there.
Art stuff.
So
Arts and crafts.
when I get back to
Took
the house,
the Marietta shop. We looked at a couple of kids stuff.
I am going to do this haul. Look down there. Look. Can y'all see all that?
We started off
All that. And then we went
Golden
back.
Corral.
Look back there. I don't know if you can see it or not. We ain't even.
And ended
Lord.
up at Walmart.
So
we headed home.
We headed home, and I'm gonna do a haul for y'all, and we're gonna get this thing cooking, okay? See you in a minute.